One of the biggest problems music producers face in electronic music is making the perfect kick drum. And if I'm being honest, it's one of those things that you simply cannot afford to mess up because kick drums are the backbone of most electronic music. And as a producer that uses or makes kicks, you likely fall into one of three categories. The first, you rely on a huge library of kicks that you've collected over time, but you have no idea how to distinguish which ones are good versus which ones are straight up bad. Or second, you've invested in a kick synth plugin, but you still have no idea if the kicks you're making are as good as your favorite artist's kicks. Or third, you go the professor route and try to use something like Serum to synthesize kicks from scratch. And if you went that route, well, good luck. The point here is that making a perfect kick drum is hard, so I figured I'd do it for you. We've created 60 perfect tuned kick drums modeled after the most popular artists in the world today. Just listen to what I'm talking about.
Can't you say I made a mistake? Please just
body of mine, losing all my innocence. Yeah. Tell me what you hate about me.
This isn't some pack with 300 plus kick drums by some obscure sound designer. This is 60 kick drums that sound exactly like the kicks from the biggest artists in the world right now. Every kick in this pack is sonically proven to work in a commercially viable professional track. So there's no second guessing, no doubts, and you can confidently insert these kicks right into your project files, which means kick drums no longer have to be a problem for you at all. And to top it off, we've organized these 60 artist kicks into 3 overarching folders for your creative needs. And if that wasn't enough, I also made 24 Hyperbits tuned kick drums just so you know you're getting insane value. I wouldn't overthink this one. Truly quality kick drums are hard to find and even harder to create. So we did it for you. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Otherwise, you can grab Boom, which is a collection of 60 artist kicks plus 24 tuned Hyperbits kicks right now.